Morning children, open your new Sparkle semester series, standard first, semester second book. So, we have completed two lesson revision. Tarun and Tanya work in the garden, a surprise treat. Now, green plants, a poem. Green plants, a poem. Sing, act and learn this poem. This is the way we sow the seeds, sow the seeds, sow the seeds. This is the way we sow the seeds in the soft and rich soil. This is the way we water the plants, water the plants, water the plants. This is the way we water the plants with lots of love and care. What it's saying? We are sowing the seeds in the soft and rich soil. We are sowing the seeds in the rich and soft soil. Okay. Then how we have to water the plants? With lots of love and care. With lots of love and care. Then this is the way we feed the plants, feed the plants, feed the plants. This is the way we feed the plants with manure made from leaves. Manure जो खत बोलते हैं उसको हम किस से डालते हैं? How we put the feed, how we prepare the manure with the help of the leaves, dried leaves, made from dried leaves. उसके पत्तों से जो पत्ते गिरते हैं उसका मैन्योर तैयार करके पौधों को डाला जाता है. We put the manure from the leaves. And this is the way birds bloom into flowers. Bloom into flowers, bloom into flowers. This is the way birds bloom into flowers, spreading color in the nature. And this way how the color bud bloom into flower. वो जो bud होता है छोटा सा कली से फूल spread होता है, spreading color in the nature. Nature को color spread करता है. Flowers, beautiful flowers. If you see anywhere beautiful, so nice, you say, oh, so nice garden. See here also, if you are seeing, so beautiful it is. Yes or no? So, this is the way we sow the seeds, sow the seeds, sow the seeds. This is the way we sow the seeds in the soft and rich soil. This is the way we water the plants, water the plants, water the plants. This is the way we water the plants with lots of love and care. This is the way we feed the plants. Feed the plants, feed the plants. This is the way we feed the plants with manure made from leaves. This is the way birds bloom into flowers, bloom into flowers, bloom into flowers. This is the way birds bloom into flowers, spreading color in the nature. Spreading color in the nature. Okay, now exercise here. Exercise, answer the following question. Answer the following question. Answer the following question. See here. You can see the question answers. Answer the following questions in one sentence each. Where A1. Where do children sow the seeds? Children sow the seeds in the soft and rich soil. Children sow the seeds in the soft and rich soil. How do children water the plants? Children water the plants with love and care. Yes, how do children water the plants? Children water the plants with love and care. What is the food of the plants? Manure. Manure is the food of the plants. Manure is the food of the plants. What happens to the birds? What happens to the birds? The bird blooms into flowers. What happens to the bird? Bud यानी कली. कली क्या होता है? फूल खिलता है. Bloom. फूल खिलता है. The bird blooms into flower. Identify the festivals. Write their names. Just No. Second one, seer. Second one, fill in the blanks. The children sow the seeds in the soft and rich soil. The children sow the seeds in the soft and rich soil. The children watered the plants with lots of love and care. The children watered the plants with lots of love and care. The children feed the plants with manure made from leaves. The flowers spread color in nature. The flowers spread color in nature. So, read and learn. There are 7 days in a week. They are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. 7 days in a week they are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Saturday. Sunday is a holiday. Fill in the blanks. Sunday is the first day of the week. Sunday is the first day of the week. Saturday is the last day of the week. Tuesday comes just before Wednesday. Tuesday comes just before Wednesday. Sunday comes just after Saturday. After Saturday. After the summer vacation, your school reopen on. After summer vacation, your school reopen on. You have to write here. You celebrate your birthday. When you celebrate your birthday, you have to write here. You have your art class on. You have your hobby class on. Hobby class on. Yes. We have completed activity language development. Fill in the blanks. And now third one, read and learn. There are 12 months in a year. They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. There are 12 months in a year. They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Fill in the blanks with the correct month. I was born in the month of, you write your when you was born. My school celebrates Founder Day in the month of the hottest month of the year is, yes, the hottest month of the year is, you write, the coldest month of the year is, you write, my school celebrates sports day in the month of, you write over. This is the fill in the blanks with the correct month you have to write. This is the work given for you. So, identify the festivals, write their names, tell when we celebrate these festivals. We celebrate this festival. Yes. Christmas, December. Diwali, October or November. Kite festival in the month of January. Then Onam in the month of August or September. And flag hosting, Independence Day, that is August, in the month of August. Okay, activity grammar, that is 18 page number. Read the sentences, underline a and an as you read. An apple is hanging from a tree. An apple. An is also underlined, a is also underlined. Yes or no? An elephant is roaming in a field. An a. A boy has an ink pot and a pen. A boy has an ink pot and a pen. A is marked, an is marked, a is marked. Again, a is here, no? Yes. An ox is standing on a box. An a. Then, a girl has an umbrella. An. Read and remember. We use a if the word begins with a consonant. use a if the word begins with the consonant. We use an if the words begins with the vowel a, e, I, o, u. Vowel a, e, I, o, u. Write a or an in front of each of the given words. Each of the given words. An apple, an apple. An elephant, an elephant. An ink pot, an ink pot. An ox, an ox. Why I have given here an? Because a is a, e, I, o, u. Vowel is there, so I have given here an. E, an. An, I is there, and here o is there. Then here u is there. An umbrella. Then a tree, a field, a boy. These all are consonant. These all are consonants, so we have given a. A pen, a hen, an egg, a rose. An egg, a rose. Identify each picture, write their names using a or an. See here, an aeroplane. See the picture, an aeroplane. An igloo, an umbrella, a watch. An owl, a mobile phone. An apple, a boat. An apple, a boat. Write a or an. A kite and an elk. A kite and an elk. Then a piano and an ostrich. A piano and an ostrich. A church and an igloo. A church and an igloo. An orange and an app. An angel and a lamb. An angel and a lamb. A cow and an ice cream. A cow and an ice cream. Page number 19. I have completed page number 19. Now come to the 20 page number. Page number 20. Page number 20. Rearrange the words and rewrite the sentences. Rewrite the words and rewrite the sentences. How's the a garden beautiful has? All Sunday rooms on cleaned the mother. Okay? Okay. See here. How's the a garden beautiful has? The house has a beautiful garden. The house has a beautiful garden. Beautiful garden. All Sunday rooms on cleaned the mother. Mother cleaned the rooms, all the rooms on Sunday. Mother cleaned all the rooms on Sunday. Okay, I will give you here, see. How's the garden? The garden, G-R-D-E-N, garden Okay, see here. The house has a beautiful garden. The house has a beautiful garden. All Sunday rooms on cleaned the mother. Mother cleaned all the rooms on Sunday. Mother cleaned all the rooms on Sunday. Okay. Yes. Now, rewrite the sentences using capital letters and full stops. See here. This is Raj and Renu are playing in the garden. Is there no? Raj and Renu. R you write capital, and here also you write capital R. Renu. R and are playing in the garden. Full stop. You have to give full stop. This is a big banyan tree. THIS. This. Only here write capital T. Capital THIS. This is a big banyan tree. Full stop. Write a or an. This is an apple. It is a red apple. This is an umbrella. An umbrella. It has a handle. Okay. Use words from the brackets and fill in the blanks. Use words from the brackets and fill in the. Okay. See here. Use words from the brackets and fill in the blanks. Page number. Okay. We dash idli. We steam. 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 We bake. BAKE. Bake cakes. We dash chapati. We roast. 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 And we dash puris. We fry. We fry puris. Okay? Yes. Now I have completed everything. And challenge, write 3 sentences using a and an. Using a and an. Okay, children, see here. Challenge. Page number. After write a or an, challenge, write 3 sentences using a and an. Challenge. An eagle and a crow are flying in the sky. An eagle and a crow are flying in the sky. We use an umbrella during rainy season. We use an umbrella during rainy season. This is a red pen. This is a red pen. Okay. I have completed revision poem Green Plants poem. Learn by heart the poem. This is the way we sow the seeds. And from page number 15 to 20. 15 to 20. You write all for 2 times and learn by heart. Write only for 2 times and learn by heart. From page number 15. Page number 15 to 20. You have to write for 2 times and learn by heart. Okay, children, we will meet in the next video. Thank you. This is the revision. Do well.